everyone, it's Claire from Scrappy Nerd UK, and I thought I'd film just a little video because I received from some happy mail from a lovely subscriber, and I just wanted to share the amazingness that she's actually sent. So thank you very much, Jean. This is so kind of you to send this to me. So I mentioned in one of my videos about the Altenew enamel dots on scrapbook.com, and I managed to get the red and pink ones. All the other colours were out of stock, and she kindly actually purchased the Glacier Caves one for me, the blue ones, and she sent them over to me, but she also sent me some other bits and bobs as well, so I wanted to show that. She sent this super duper cute letter, and this embellishment here, I'm not too sure if she's seen my tutorial as to how to make these, but it was well appreciated that she even decorated the little letter. I won't read the letter out, that's a personal letter from her to me. So let's get stuck into this. I seem to have lost, oh, this came off of one of the things I had to open. I'll show you in a second. So what she's actually sent over is a ton of different coloured doilies, which, to be honest, I don't even think that we get. I can't say that we get the I've ever seen the purple ones in the UK. I've seen yellow ones, these really nice pink ones, some really Christmassy red ones, so those are very much appreciated and they will go to use, and I promised to share them with my mum as well, because she wanted some coloured doilies, so I'm going to share those with her. Then she also sent this little bag of goodies as well. So there was some red, oh, I've already opened this, I couldn't wait. There was some red pom-pom trim, which is going to be perfect for December daily. There was also this really cute tassel trim as well. Again, I think I'm going to save this for my December daily album, because I think I'm going to go red and white traditional colours this year. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. I'm not decided on the collection, but we'll see. Then also this little cute embellishment. I think she made this. It's just popped up on some foam. It just got some this lovely ribbon on it as well. And then also a couple of charms. So a little tassel charm. And then also a couple of these little filled baubles with the, I can't remember what these clips are called, but you can clip these straight into the ring of your album. So these are super cute, so I love all of that. So also in this bag here I've got some more trim, and this is a combination of different coloured stars. So we've got some gold, some silver and some red stars. Again, this is screaming December daily to me, so those are very much appreciated. Everything that she sent is very much appreciated, so such a lovely gesture, and she didn't have to send anything to me, but it was gratefully received. Then she's actually taken the time to make me a 6x6 mini book, and oh, I just love it. Another one of those little flower embellishments on the front, another little tassel charm and some trims on the rings, some cute pink book rings as well. And I know she said that she almost killed off a 6x6 paper pad making this, so this is a brilliant way to get through those 6x6 pads. So first of all, we've got a load of different interactive pages, and she sent me some tea. I need to find something that I can strain it because it's loose leaf, so I can't wait to... hot for you, iced for me. So I will be having it hot because I do like my tea hot. I do like iced tea as well. We just don't drink it that much over here. And then we've got a little pocket here, and she's included some some tags that she's made as well. So I will use these on my projects, so in travelers notebooks and on my scrapbook pages. So I'm going to pop those back in there for the minute. And then turning over here, I can notice some simple stories. I can't remember the name of the Happy Days, was it? Can't remember. Some of the embellishments that she's used. And then we've got a little, this was on here and I had to pull it off to open it. A little glassine bag. And then in here, she has included some fun little enamel, or some little flare buttons, the ones that you just stick the epoxy on yourself, and she's decorated them herself. So those will come in handy. Then we've also got some stickers, and I know I can always tell you which collections most things are from. So I know these are from the Maggie Home sticker books, I think, from the Gather collection. So some hearts and some unicorns, of course. And then we've got a cute little doggy paper clip and some hearts, some gold punched hearts. And then from reading her letter, I believe these are, she said you add water and they transfer the colour from this onto the paper. So I am super excited to give this a go with these circles. So you have this little bag of goodies. And then we've also got, just in here, a little pull out. I think that was, yeah, that's everything in there. And then in here, we've got some more of the stickers from the sticker book. And again, of course, unicorns, because they are life. And then in this one, oh, there are some paper clips. So there's a cute little dog bone, a couple of dog bones, like a teardrop, a couple of teardrop shaped ones, and a snowflake, which of course is probably going to feature in December Daily, best place for it. So I'm just going to pop this back as I go along so I don't destroy it. And then over here we have a little belly band with a pocket in, and this is like a shimmer glassine or a shimmer thicker vellum, and I love this pocket, so I'm probably going to try and reuse it where I can. And then in here I've got a tab, a little flower embellishment, and some of the scalloped punched, oh, another tab, some of the scalloped punched circles as well. And then also a couple of the little tassels that go great on mini albums. And I am doing a mini album series. I am just writing up the notes at the moment as to the style, my sizes and my score lines, etc. So once I've got through all of the ones that I want to do, then I will be sharing that as a new series. So that's an exclusive right here. Oh, and there's another little flower there that I've just missed. And then also she was so kind to also send over some 4x4 page protectors as well. They're a nightmare to get hold of here. And this is actually a variety pack, and it comes with 15 of the full 4x4 and 5 of the 2x2. So those will come in very handy with those new 4x4, the little mini albums from We Are Memory Keepers. I've grabbed out all of my little 4x4s and I've popped them all on the shelf together, and I've actually got more than I realised, so I will be using those up for sure. And then we have a little side pocket here with some more embellishments in, so some more scallop circles. This super cute tag, white and gold, is amazing. And then also there's some little envelopes and some punched pieces in the envelopes. I won't open them because I did manage to get them everywhere when I opened this. And then another little tag on there. So again, I'm just going to store them back in here. Now what I actually do is I have a my little box of awesome, and I'll try and get it out without destroying my whole desk. And what I do is anything that I am sent in Happy Mail, or anything extra, what I do is I actually pop them in this little box here, and I keep this on my desk. So if ever I need something, just a little extra, something tucky, or another embellishment, I actually have a little dig through this little box here and see what I've got and then add it in them. So once I film this video, I will go back through and just grab all of the little embellishments that she's made and pop those in that box ready to use. And then this one here, oh, I think there's, okay, so, oh, look, there's some tags I was tucked in the top there. She snuck those in, I didn't notice those. And then on the other side, I just absolutely love this. What she did is she actually sent me some photographs of where she lives and just a bit about the city and stuff. I am a massive fan of going to America, but she is right. I tend to stick to the areas that contain Disney. So Florida, California, I like going to Vegas as well. But you never know, one day I might make it to other parts of the US. And it was really nice to learn about the other parts of the US that I've not been to. And then she also made this fringed paper, left it blank so I can include it in the mini album or I can use it on another project, and that was really thoughtful as well. And then in the back here, there's another little pocket, and again some more of those doilies, and she made this super cute little vellum pocket. And then in here we have another embellishment. Oh, there's some of the little stars stuck in. And then also a ton of little punched hearts and stars, and these are great. So if you come to the end, especially if you come to the end of a paper pad, grab out a punch and just punch out whatever you've got left, and you can just use those as little extra embellishments on future layouts, rather than getting rid, or especially if you've got scraps, use them as embellishment punches instead of just throwing those scraps out. I'm going to try and get that closed without destroying it. So yeah, this was so kind of her to send this all to me, and it really made my day. The fact that someone's taken the time to sit and make a little 6x6 mini album for me, and to include details about you know, where they're from and that sort of thing. It was really nice, and I really just wanted to share it to say thank you to her. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, I would love you to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time for another video. Bye.